We'll wait a flyer here.
This is high tech. Big Joe doing the puzzle. It's for a 18-month-old Wayne. My granddaughter did in about 40 seconds.
Aye, but she's quite good at them. She's had plenty of practice.
You filming this?
I know, what's it like, man?
You gonna put it on YouTube or something?
Don't even go there.
Oh no, no way! Oh dear.
Concentration, unbelievable.
Yeah, she needs to get it right. No point rushing these things. What is he doing, lads? He's making me paranoid. Right, I'm getting there. I'm doing well. Alright.
We should have done the countdown clock on this.
Go on, you're breaking my concentration. Oh,
It's really works.
oh, look at this, eh? Different class. This is different gravy.
By the way, this is the 20-piece one.
Tonight here on Channel 4 at 9, a bit of a twist to nominations.
Different gravy, eh?
Then at 10, the Three Cycles of Whiskey
Brilliant.
is leading up nicely to next week's season's finale.
No problem, eh?
Do you remember to do the four corners first, did you?
No problem, I'm telling you. Houston, I've got a problem.
Wait, I'll go and get a pair of scissors.
Oh, that didn't in there. For fuck's sake. Oh, no, he's a cheated here. This bit's missing.
There's no bits missing.
No. Oh, look at this, different gravy. I'm right good at it. Right, no problem, mate. Look at that. See, once you get the hang of it, it just takes a wee while getting it started. Yes, no problem. Look at that, look at that. It's all falling into shape now. And there we have it.
Hold up, do you see it? The completed one?
There you are, postman path. You're a clegg. Right, get that deleted.